Hey everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript course. So inside this video, we'll be looking into the JavaScript JSON. And if you find this interesting, let's get started right away. So in this video, we'll be exploring about the JavaScript JSON. So inside my VS Code, I've opened up my index file, my style.css file, as well as my script.js file. So there is some basic boilerplate code present inside my index.html file and some basic styling given to the style.css file and a basic console.log message inside my script file. Okay. So now let's start exploring about the JSON. So JSON pretty much stands for JavaScript object notation. Okay, so it's basically used for storing and transferring data. Okay, so let's say we have our website and we are trying to access some data from our endpoint, okay, by making use of any fetch method or even axios. So over there, the data that we get from that particular website is in the form of JSON. Okay, so the JSON data that is present is in the form of a key value pair. So let's understand the structure of it. So this is the structure of JSON. So let's say we get a students array. Okay, so and inside the array we have different objects. Okay, so as I told, it's in the form of a key value pair. So name is gonna be, let's say, any random name. Okay, and then we have the next attribute, that is the age. Okay, so let's say again name, and age. Okay, so let's write that out, age. Okay, so essentially this is the format and structure of JSON. So this is the data or something that we receive as information when we try to access any particular endpoint. Okay, so for that particular website, so this is the major structure. So some of the rules are, so let's say we need to include the comma after each and every kind of data over here, and the data enclosed over here, the data enclosed in braces is pretty much the object, and the data enclosed in the square brackets are pretty much arrays. Okay, over here students is an array, and inside the students array we have array of objects that is basically the name. That is a name and age for each kind of data that we have. Okay, so if you want to convert this particular data into text, okay, so we'll be making use of the parse method. And in case if we want to convert a particular data into an entire string, we'll be making use of the stringify method. Okay, so that's the basic idea and ideology of the JSON data. Okay, I think that's it about this video. Let's see you in the next video, and then thank you for watching.